Hi, Riverside Unified. Jenna King here from Matthew Gage Middle School. I wanted to show you a little bit about using the Hyperdocs for Google Classroom from the curriculum that was created for us. So if you are on the distance learning page and you click on the curriculum site, we have lessons for each grade level. I'll do an elementary one here. So third grade. And we'll click Wonders and all other content areas. There is a short video kind of talking you through this, but what I want to show you is how to work through the Hyperdocs. So we'll go down, we'll click on week 1. Okay, so here you can see it starting. It gives you the Google Classroom option. So when you are doing an assignment in Google Classroom, for example, classwork, we want to create. And this is where then it gives you those options that you'll see there. So that first thing was an assignment that was going to be created. And then what I would suggest is looking at them first. That way, if there's anything you want to edit, this is obviously just the PDF of the article. And then there is a writing journal. So you'll want to make a copy for you. And then you're, of course, welcome to change the name if you wanted, rather than all those, copy of copy. You could delete it and just say writing journal, or you could put it by your class. Or you could have them put their name there, whatever you see fit for them. Okay, and then you can go through and then you can see if there's going to be anything you want to change in here. And then if you're set with that, then what you want to do is title. Oh, I'm going to close out of it. Let me go back to it. So again, you see the option was the assignment title. They have reading. Copy and paste that. If you want to make a different one, of course you could. You can just paste from there. Then you have your instructions. Copy, paste. Then you're going to want to link these. So copy link URL right there, sorry, URL. And right here where it says add, you have a link. Paste that link in there, add link. You'll see it right there. And then writing journal. Copy the link. Add link. Paste it in there, add link. And then you can, what class is this for? Do you want it to go to all students, or if you want to change that? What points do you want to make this worth, or ungraded? What is your due date? You can decide what date you want there. If you have a topic, if you want to create some topics, if you want to create a rubric, you can. And then you can assign. So then you'll just want to click copy at that point so that it's going to go and be a part of your drive. And then you will see there's the assignment I just did. If you see anything you need to edit, right here, these 3 dots, you can edit if needed. If you want to have them view file or edit file, view file or edit file, on this one, I would probably have them edit for their journal and then just save again for any changes.